People used to say POCO phones were flagship killers. But what if the new POCO F7 isn't trying to kill anything? Because it is the flagship. With top tier specs, a futuristic design and raw power, this is the phone that wants to redefine expectations. Let's take a deep dive into what might be POCO's most complete smartphone yet. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box you will find the phone itself, a 90-watt fast charger, USB Type-C cable, SIM tool and the basic documentations. No surprise here, but the packaging feels solid. And the moment you lift the phone, the design immediately stands out. This silver edition isn't just another paint job. The upper portion features a transparent finish with a neon flare deco around the cameras, designed to reflect light like a blade, giving it a sleek, futuristic vibe. Zoom out a little and you will notice the laser precision geometric design covering the entire back, a truly premium touch. Build-wise, the POCO F7 goes full flagship with a glass back, Gorilla Glass protection and an aluminum middle frame, giving it both style and strength. One thing I personally noticed, the curved edges combined with the flat display really enhances the in-hand feel. It feels more refined and premium than ever. However, I do want to mention that the cyber silver glass back is a bit of fingerprint magnet. It is easily dissolved with the back cover, but that does cover up this stunning design. Turn it around and you are greeted with a stunning 6.83-inch AMOLED display, the biggest ever in POCO F series, with Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support. Plus, 1.9mm bezels make the screen feel almost edge to edge. Bright, vivid and incredibly fluid thanks to 120Hz refresh rate. The display alone put this phone in the flagship league. Under the hood, POCO went all in with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 built on 4nm process. I am using the top model, 512GB storage and 12GB RAM. Whether I am switching apps, playing heavy games like Genshin Impact, editing photos or just browsing, it handles it all without any hesitation. The AnTuTu Score even crosses 2 million, which speaks volume about its raw power. Now the battery life, and this one is one of my favorite part. A massive 6500 battery powers the F7. Even with 120Hz enabled and heavy use like social media, camera and a couple of hours of gaming, I easily got through a full day with around 25 to 30% left. That bigger battery does add a little bit of weight to the device, which you will notice initially. But it is something that I quickly got used to and appreciated the endurance it brings. And when it's time to top up, POCO's 90-watt HyperCharge takes you from 0 to 100% in around 45 minutes. And there is even reverse wired charging at 22.5 watts. That means this phone can charge your other phones or accessories as well. Let's talk cameras. On the back, you get a 50MP main sensor with OIS, powered by the Sony IMX882 sensor, delivering crisp, vibrant shots with a true to life colors. There is also an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and the front gives you a sharp 20MP selfie camera. Motion tracking keeps subjects sharp while moving, and in video mode you can record up to 4K at 60fps. OIS works very well in shoot steady mode, stabilizing working and handheld clips. Then there is Pro mode, and it's not just for show. You get full control over ISO, shutter speed, focus, white balance, plus ability to shoot in RAW or JPG. Use 50MP or 12.5MP modes and try presets like documentary and quick snaps. You can even create or import your own settings. It's a serious tool for camera enthusiasts. The POCO F7 runs on Xiaomi's latest HyperOS 2.0 with Android 15 out of the box. It's fast, clean and offers a lot of customization, especially on the lock screen. You can customize depth effect, fonts, clock styles, widget placement and even pick from 6 different fingerprint unlock animations. But what really adds value is HyperAI, Xiaomi's built-in AI system that's actually useful. In the Notes app, you get AI writing. It can generate content ideas, plan your trips, or make a to-do list. In the Gallery editor, you get powerful tools, AI Enhance to clean up images, AI Expansion to widen your shots, AI Erase Pro to remove objects. The Recorder app transcribes audio and translates it. There is also an AI interpreter mode that works offline in supported languages, and AI subtitles that can display captions in real time, even during calls or videos. And don't forget the circle to search feature. Just hold the navbar, circle anything on the screen, and it will search instantly with Google. No screenshot needed. The POCO F7 also brings IP68 dust and water resistance, which means it stays safe underwater for up to 30 minutes. And we can't just forget Xiaomi's interconnectivity that lets you share screens, sync notifications, and even control other devices wirelessly. POCO F7 is not just another phone with good specs. It's a complete experience from the futuristic design to the fast display, powerful processor, strong battery, capable cameras, and feature-packed software. This is not the flagship killer anymore, this is the flagship. If you are looking for power, creativity, and value in one device, the F7 is a serious contender. Lastly, don't forget to like and share the video. See you next time.